Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone sound and vibration setting guys, and today friends I will show you guys how to use guys system other sound and vibration setting. Friends, you want to on guys your phone system sound setting. So guys, what is system sound and how to use it on oppo mobile guys, one by one and step by step guys, I will show you in this video. So without waste time guys, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration friends, you can see your mobile vibrate setting, vibrate on ring, silent setting. So friends, you can only do not disturb from here. You can set ringtone, you can change ringtone from here friends. Friends, click on more sound and haptic. Friends, you can see sound setting. First is dial pad. So first we will on dial pad. After on how to use. Friends, on your phone dial pad setting. Friends, now you can use your dial pad tone. Friends, when you will enter any number on your dial pad, so we call it as dial pad. So like that friends, you can on dial pad tone and friends you can use it. Friends, you don't want to use, friends you can off. After off friends, you can see dial pad tone friends. We cannot use, we can enter number without any tune. So as first dial pad tone you can use. Second friends, you will find your lock screen sound. Friends, first on your lock screen sound. So when you will lock your phone, and when you will unlock your phone, you can use your screen lock and unlock sound. And guys, third option, screenshot sound. So when you will take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot fan with sound, and fans you don't want to use screenshot sound, you can off. After offense you can take a screenshot without any sound. Fans, fourth option, delete sound setting. Fans, click here. So when you will delete guys your photos, so fans you can use the delete sound. So we call it delete sound. So like that friends, we can use delete sound setting. Click here. Last is friends touch sound. So guys, we will on touch sound. After on guys, when you will click your phone button, friends you can use the tap sound with touch sound, and friends when you will click any icon and any setting, friends when you will click friends you can use the tap sound. So like that friends, we can use system sound setting, and friends last we will search here get touch sound. Friends, click on touch sound setting guys, you don't want to use guys tap here. So friends, you can use guys your more sound and haptic setting guys, your system sound, dial pad, lock screen sound, screenshot sound, photo delete sound, and touch sound. And the last is touch, vibrate on touch. Friends, when you will on, so your phone will vibrate guys when you will tap. So guys, we will off, oh sorry friends, we will off this vibrate on touch. So like that friends, we can use sound and vibration phone system setting, system sound setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.